Gonna put on some wood bead seat cushions. I don't know the manufacturer, but this is before. Pulling this stuff out. Put this baby on. All day. That's what the beads look like. It'll go on something like this where the string ties to the neck. So we'll see. So that's it. I'm all done. It took me about a minute or two. All you end up doing is tying knot. There's 2 strings that you can take out. And you just tie knots and that's it. Very simple and straightforward. I'll put on this one too. I don't think my wife's going to be happy. And I didn't need to tie anything because the headrest keeps this in place, but I should tie it down. I'll do that a little later, but I'm just glad to get it in. Super easy to put on, and that's how it looks like. Over and out. I've been waiting to put this on.